Here's Widgetable app, and with the recent update, version 1.18, now on iOS, you can also install plant widgets. So how to install plant widgets? Just open Widgetable app, go to plant, and then here you just need to select a plant you like. There is flower, house plant, fruit, and then you can just tap grow. And this is basically you just plant in the seeds, and then you need to wait 24 hours to plant the seeds. But you can also install home screen or lock screen widget, and then you will wait 12 hours less. So let's just try to, with home screen, select size of the widget. At the moment, it's only possible to use small size of plant widget. And then you can just select a specific plant you want to use. So here it's automatically selected as plant 2. Then you can edit plant name in the bottom, and then you can see a garden, and then just tap save. So now this widget is saved in your widget collection. Tap and hold, and then you can just add plus. Search for Widgetable, and then add small widget. And then add widget, select widget style, and then plant 2. And then there you have it. So now you just install the plant widget on your home screen. Also, you can install lock screen widget. And then tap customize. Anyhow, so you can install lock screen widget either from this customize section. I don't know why it's not loading. Or just from your lock screen, when you tap and hold, select Widgetable, select small lock screen widget, tap and add it, and then you will be able to install the plant widget.